So as the Vice President of Division C Learning and Instruction, we're really invested in optimizing learning for all students. Part of understanding the optimization, both in formal and informal settings, is understanding what works, for whom, and under what conditions. So the pursuit of justice for members of Division C can be understood as the concerted effort to identify the motivations, the aspirations, and the capabilities of each and every learner. Within the last 48 hours, I've talked to 4 different people that are doing research that I think promotes social justice and the justice theme, right? Where we think about justice in terms of marginalized populations, where we think of justice in terms of individuals who feel disenfranchised, individuals who become invisible within our environment. So in my own research, I study the processes underlying students' abilities to read and understand oral and written discourse, right? To critically examine and evaluate information as it's presented and to make reasoned judgments. Right? My purpose is to ensure that no student feels excluded from expressing their views, but that they also have the essential tools they need to think critically and analytically about their perspectives. So we've developed a discussion approach called Quality Talk. And the purpose of Quality Talk is to teach students how to engage in discussions where they take on interpretive authority. To this extent, the theme resonates quite strongly with my own research. And the idea behind Quality Talk is that we explicitly teach students how to ask authentic questions about the content that they're exploring. We teach them how to respond in ways that engage argumentation and reasoning. Our hope is that participation in Quality Talk discussions will not only enhance content area learning, but they'll also enable learners to find their own voice in the cacophony of 21st century voices, thereby bolstering democracy and advancing justice. My sense is that these types of skills and abilities are fundamental to ensuring justice for the future of our society. I mean, to me, this is what John Dewey talked about when he talked about the idea that really engaging in discourse, right, ensures democracy. I think that that's a clear example of how our research is changing lives and ensuring justice for those who clearly do not have it. And I think the theme really points to, I think, a broad generalization of what learning and instruction is really all about. Right? When we think of justice, justice really is about making sure that everyone has opportunity and access